Hi, I'm going to demonstrate the SliceX 4 Shape Mask Layer plugin. What we want to do here is to draw a shape mask around this flower so that we can manipulate it separately from the background. Basically, this plugin allows us to draw and track rotoshapes, aka vector-based shape masks. This can be useful for many types of video tasks. For example, you could cut out a moving shot of a product package and put it over a graphical background, or mask out an element like a shop sign and composite it over a different shop in another clip. So to get started, locate the Shape Mask Layer plugin in C2 SliceX4 and add it to our clip and open the editor. The checkerboard background is normal. It shows which parts of the shot are going to be transparent based on the default mask shape, which is this kind of wavy shape around the image. So now what we want is to go in and select the wavy shape and replace it with our shape. So first of all, let's change the viewport to show only the source footage, not the end result. And then we can start drawing our new mask shape around the petals. In this case, I only want to mask around the flower blossom, not including the stalk. Keep placing points until we finish the entire thing and then hit the Enter key to close the shape. Let's jump ahead to see the completed mask. I'll change the viewport back to Result to display the masked flower blossom and then track forward. Once the track is finished, we can modify the parameters such as the feather width to adjust how that is being composited. Save changes. And then we just drag the masked flower petals over the top of another clip in the Final Cut timeline. So one of the ways you could use that is something like this, where I've just made a composition using several copies of the mask clip and shifting the color for each. You could also export it to a ProRes clip with an alpha channel and use it in the replicator in Apple Motion 5 to get some really interesting motion graphic effects. So that is the SliceX 4 Shape Mask Layer in Final Cut Pro.